Hey guys, today I'm back with these antique portrait Victorian nails. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with stamping this portrait image from my Moyu London tourist plate. I'll leave what number it is below in black. And then with both of those images, I just filled in with this pearl polish from Barry M. And then with a sort of antique gold, I'm just filling around the frames. And then I just painted my middle and ring finger with this A England polish called Crown Jewels. And then I applied a foil glue, waited for that to go tacky, so I could just stamp those decals on. And then I just cleaned up my cuticles with a polish and a brush. Nail varnish remover and a brush. Then on my index and pinky, I painted with that same antique gold colour. And with that same Moyu London plate, I just stamped the damask sort of pattern in black. And I stamped that straight on my nails. And then finally I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these antique portrait nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!